The Bachelorette is back for season number 20. Now, whether you're a mega fan or you cringe watch, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can stream every single episode for free. You ready? Let's go. Now, The Bachelorette will premiere June 26, and they are moving back their time slot from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So whether you're East Coast or you're West Coast, the show will be airing at 9 p.m. And it will be airing on ABC Live, or if you want to watch it next day at any time, you can watch it on Hulu. So if you're going to want to watch this show for free, you're going to need access to one of these. But let's start with the more traditional route of ABC. Now, ABC does not have a standalone streaming channel. They're not doing it, at least not yet. So in order to get access to ABC, there's a couple ways that you can do this. The first way is to sign up for a TV bundle. Now, it's kind of like getting a cable subscription, but it is a whole lot cheaper. But when you purchase a TV bundle, it gives you access not only to one channel, it gives you access to hundreds of channels. Now, for The Bachelorette, the one I do recommend is Sling TV. Now, why do I recommend Sling TV? They're offering a huge discount for the first month. So instead of paying $40 or $45, you only have to pay $15. And then you'll get access to not only ABC, but access to everything. We're talking about Fox, we're talking about NBC, we're talking about ESPN, we're talking about Bravo Channel, FX, like a lot of good stuff. Now, you may be thinking $15 is not free. Well, the first step was to find the deal. The second step is to get an awesome cashback deal. And how you can get some awesome cashback deals is if you sign up for Rakuten. Now, Rakuten is a cashback service and they have deals with a whole lot of companies. So when you go to these companies' websites and you purchase their services, Rakuten will give you a cashback, and sometimes they're dollar amounts, other times they're percentage points. But for this example, if you sign up for Rakuten using the link in the description and you search for Sling TV, you click it, it activates your cashback and it goes to Sling TV, and then you just sign up like you normally would. It doesn't cost you anything extra. As a matter of fact, you get money to do this. So you sign up for Rakuten, then you sign up for Sling TV through Rakuten, you get a discount rate and you get cashback, and it comes out to $0. Now that's the first way. Now the second way is if you get a TV antenna. Now a TV antenna is essentially an antenna that picks up all of your local channels for free. Now they used to be built into every single television, but now you do have to purchase it. So if you follow the same first step, you sign up for Rakuten, you type in TV antenna, you will find one for $30. But I'm not done yet, just like last time. The second your purchases go over $30 on Rakuten, they're gonna give you $30 back for signing up and being a new client. So this $30 TV antenna is now free. It will take a few days to ship, so you will need maybe to do it for next week. And then lastly, Hulu. Hulu right now still has a massive free trial that you're not really gonna find elsewhere, and that is a 30-day free trial. So if you don't mind watching it next day, you can get the Hulu with no ads for free for 30 days. You can also combine some of these deals and watch every single Bachelorette episode from season 20 for free. How fantastic is that? All right, and that is it. That is all I got for today's video. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully season number 20 is the best one it's ever been. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said, you can either hit me up in the email description or just drop a comment. I'll get to everything. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.